Hey everyone, so it's been half an hour since I put the lemon essential oil on the sticky, you know, stickiness that was at one point waffle batter. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use paper towels because I think the first time I tried to use paper towels and they all tear apart. So I have this really awesome cloth. It's like really special. It has really special microfiber and it has really special other stuff like micro silver in it also. So I'm gonna use this and see what happens. So I have wet it and I wring it out, so now I'm gonna see if I can use this to scrub it. And so here we go. I'm gonna try to record me scrubbing the thing. Let's see if anything happens. Okay. Nope, nothing happened. What about this? Okay, this one is coming off a little bit better. Okay, so I'm making headway with the smaller sticky mess, so that's good. All right, thank you so much for watching. I feel like I'm even making headway with the bigger one. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to keep working with this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.